Me, I'm 44 years old. I started Etsy 5 years ago. I was basically forced into it. I used to own a business. I had to leave it for certain reasons, and I became a stay-at-home dad for the last 6 years to help with my kids. And one day, my wife wanted stickers. She's a teacher. So she asked me, hey, Gary, can you order me some stickers? And then I went on Etsy. I ordered her some stickers from a really popular shop. And then I just looked around and I seen that so many people were selling stickers and they were making a lot of money selling stickers. So then I basically just did my own research. I bought a Cameo 4 machine. You can see them here. I got it off Facebook Marketplace too. I have 8 of them now. So there they are right there. I have 2 more that I haven't set up yet. So I have 8 of them now. I bought one off Marketplace for, I think it was $150 at the time. Now they got new ones, Cameo 5s, which my blades here work for those too. So yeah, I did that. I bought a printer. I had a cheap printer before. Now I have a more expensive printer. But I got started with those. I went to YouTube. I did a lot of trial and error. And that's how I got started. I actually started making money my very first month too, because I had a lot of time on my hands. I started making designs right away, and they just started selling. So what I sell is more functional stickers. I'll show you some here. I'm packing these today, and I'm shipping these out today. So I sell like custom stickers like this, where people put initials in them, like this. Like this one says RJ. Just basic ones that people write stuff in. They put these in their planners. So this is like a check dot one. So one of these labels can say walk 10,000 steps, and they'll check the box for each day. See, just boxes like this, boxes, a lot of numbered ones like this. Just basically a lot of functional ones that people use in their agendas. See, days of the week. So they'll do custom ones like this. But anyways, so I'm packing all these up today. And I just want to show you guys that it's not that hard to get this started, because this is something that's physical. It's not, you could do this digitally as well. I haven't done it, but this is something that you have to actually print and then cut and then ship. So there are a lot of people doing it, but not a ton. So I'm just going to give you an example of how much money I made on these orders that I'm sending out today. And I send orders out every single day. So there's one here. I made $32 off this package. This is after Etsy takes their cut. I have a $32 package here. I have a $16 package here. $9, $19, $21, $37, $47, $45. So this package here that I'm sending, that I made $47 on after Etsy took their fees, this is 14 sheets. My cost for these sheets for $47 of profit is about $1.60. My cost on this is $1.60, and I made $47 Canadian after fees. I still got to take shipping out though. This is Canada, so my shipping in Canada is either $1.44 or just under $3. So that's a lot of profit I made. US shipping is a little more expensive, but I charge more. US shipping costs me about $10, $10.50, and it's tracked to ship from Canada to the US. So that's just a small glimpse of what you can make selling stickers online, because like I said, it's not saturated like selling digital products. Yeah, so that's what I do. So I'm gonna pack all these orders up, and then right now I gotta fix my office a bit. I pack all my orders up right on that table down there. That's my packing table, which is where I eat too. So it's not that hard to do. And I'm gonna start making a lot of videos about how much, sorry, my chair squeaks like crazy. I'm gonna make a lot of videos about how much money I'm making doing this. I make anywhere from the worst month I have is usually around $3,000 that I profit. That pays my mortgage off every month. The most I make, even sales wise, is about 8,000. 1 or 2 months I'll make 9,000 because I have a Shopify website as well. So it can be done. And what I'm doing, because I've done this for 5 years, it's not done yet, but I am finishing off a course. I know a lot of people don't like that word, but I'm going to show you guys how easy this is to do and how much money you can make on the side. It's not going to make you rich, but it can make you money. So I've done most of the PDF version of it, which takes a long time because you have to take a lot of screenshots. But now I'm finishing off YouTube videos of everything I do, everything you need. I have links to literally the printer I use. You don't need to use my printer. I have links to the ink I use for it. I spend less than $100 a year just on ink. That's nothing because I use an EcoTank. I have links to the blades that I use. I don't use the blades that come with this machine. My blades are way cheaper. They're like 15 cents each and they can last me up to a year. The blade holder I use, I got links for that. I got links for all the paper I use, the laminate I use. I started doing lamination, which doesn't take that long. I got links to the clear paper I use. I got links to the mats I use. I use specific mats that I like. I have videos on how I peel the stickers off the mat, how I stick them in the machine, videos on how I make a lot of my designs. My shops, I'm not ghost keeping my shop or gatekeeping it. It's in my profile. I'm gonna make videos about everything, how I design in Photoshop button by button, just dumb down how I import it into the program that you need to cut on these machines. Basically how to do everything. Like anybody can do this if they wanted to. The cost to start, if you already have a printer, is probably less than $300. And you could probably make with $500 a month at least within no time. So if that sounds interesting to you down the road, I'm trying to finish it by September. You can subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see the stuff I'm doing daily or every other day. I'm going to start making way more videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I noticed I made a couple of videos on Etsy fees. That's the video that most people search up and watch of mine. But I can always make new videos if you have questions. Those videos, I actually show my real sales and the fees that are on those sales as well, so people can get an idea. And anything else, like maybe tips for these machines if you're having trouble with them. I also making a video how I calibrate cut settings for your paper that you use. My cuts are always perfect. I might have a screw up, maybe one out of 2,000 sheets. So yeah, this was just not that quick. It's 8 minutes long, but just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of what I do every day. And I'm going to start making more of these. If that interests you, and if you want to learn how to do this yourself, just give me a subscribe.